going on, guys? Doing some valve springs on a 6.7 head. Already did the other 5. Pretty much what you want to do is tighten these down a little bit. Careful, don't break these off. They start coming out. That's on there. Take your little tool. I marked it because it only goes one way, well, at least for mine. And start that. Make sure it's all lined up. Double check one more time. And just tighten by hand. Sucks one-handed, but this is the rocker assemblies, updated style. Hamilton push rods, rocker bridges, Hamilton 103-pound springs. Pretty much just tighten this until the valves come, until your springs are compressed. Now get yourself a little. Don't lose these keepers, they suck to find. My pick and a flathead screwdriver are your best friend doing this. And pretty much just repeat the process and take it off. It's pretty easy, just time consuming. If you're already doing valve springs, I'd just go ahead and do your valve seals too while you're in here. See how easy they are to lose, man? Make sure you take your tops off. I just got a little cup. Take your old springs out. Grab your new ones. Set them right there. I'm gonna set you guys down because I gotta pull these valve seals out. They're kind of a pain. All right, those valve seals suck one-handed, so one hand took those out. Here's the new ones. Push those down. Grab you a 13mm socket. Sucks one-handed. You'll know when it's seated, it feels a little different. There's that. Take your valve springs. Put those in there. Take your caps. Like that. Take your tool again. Make sure springs are pretty well lined up with your valves. And just start cranking down. I guess you could use an impact, but I got time, not worried about it. Make sure they're all going in pretty decent. Take your keepers, or retainers, whatever you want to call them. Make sure you don't put them in upside down. Seems like I lost one. Give me a second, I'll try to find it. I already went ahead and put all the keepers in because they're a pain in the butt one-handed. But now you just take your tool off, decompress your springs. These off. Take that. What I like to do is take a rag or something, double check, make sure it's seated, but instead of starting the truck and finding out the keeper's not in, retainer, just a couple taps, ain't gotta be crazy. Just to make sure they're in. And boom, just like that. Valve springs are in. Probably next video, I'll probably be installing those, push rods, and rocker bridges. Let's see. Yeah, it's a Hamilton. Get you guys a part number. Well, thanks for watching.